My voice audible? Please, please respond in chat and share to all your friends who join. Good afternoon, Amma. Voice audible? Okay. So now let us go with the discussion. So today we are going to discussing about the previous session we have discussed about various commands. So now we'll discuss about the constraints. So what are the different types of constraints? Already we know. So they will work with the constraints. So before going to the constraints, let us select star from tab. So we'll see the different kinds of tables or not. So nothing is there in this table. So connect system by manager. So now it is connected. So let us select these are the number of tables are there. So anyhow we'll display the our yesterday we have created one table. So we'll go to the table, select star from Sunday holiday. So this is the table I think so. No rows are there because we already deleted anyhow. So we'll describe the Sunday holiday table. So now we can insert some data into this table. Insert into table name is Sun holiday. So student ID is 1. You can take student name A and student age 25 and student date of birth is 12 February 2022. This is one row created. So insert into values we have to give. So now one row is inserted. Now we'll give the another row. So 2 and it is name is B and same date we can give on another row. I'm creating third one 3. So this is C. So with this we have created 3 tables and now we'll display the table. This is the table. So in this table, so we can able to see 3. One second, we can able to see Okay, okay. So now you can see here. Now at a time we have incorporated primary key, not null constraint. Okay, SH is number and Aadhaar is unique. Aadhaar is unique. Okay, and also a domain key constraint directly we can give. Uh, SH is check constraint. Check out SH greater than or equal to 18, right? So we are imposing all constraints at a time. So in the table. So now I am creating the table. So now the table is created. You can see here the table name is Monday 1. So these two are the SID is a okay primary key and SAG name is a not null constraint. So now let us print the table. Select star from okay Monday 1. So no data is there. So we can insert Monday 1 values as 1 A and name is A and age is 23 and check constraint like age is 23 and other number we can give it is of 12 digit we can give. So we can see here example I have given. So maximum 12. So now the row is inserted. So if you want to try the duplication in the first column, it will not allow. Okay. So that is primary key. And if you want to allow null value in the first row, it will not allow. And if you want to insert uh, unique value giving and in place of name, if I am giving null value, so it will not allow. So you can see here. So S name is imposed as a not null constraint. Okay. So for the not null constraint, it will not allow the null value, but it will allow the duplicate value. So that's why instead of a duplicate value, we can give like A is already inserted. One more time, we can give A also, no problem. Okay. So because SR there is a unique number, unique constraint. That's why we have to change this value. So now the row is created. So now select star from table name is Monday 1. So now we can see here. So in this table, all constraints we have to observe. So in the SID is imposed like a primary key and SNAME is a not null. So here null value is not allowed but duplication is allowed. SAG is a check constraint. So it is not yet verified. SR there is a unique constraint. Unique it doesn't allow the duplication but allows the null values. Then we'll try for it. So the third one is third row is 3 and the duplication is allowed here. However, we are taking another name, no problem. And here we are giving 15. But check constant we have given age must be greater than or equal to 18. But now we are giving 15. So shall we try? We'll try to insert this record into the table. So it is not allowing because of the age must be greater than or equal to 18. So 15. 15 it is not allowing. Okay, so that's why it is not allowing. So if we change it as a 18, so it will allow. And now come to the duplication unique constraint. Yes, other is a unique constraint but same is given, it is not allowing. So we have to give here another value. So this is the complete value. So now we print the data. Three rows are three records are inserted into the table. So that is the importance of the constraints we have to impose on a table. Okay, so that we can use, we can create or we can impose on number of columns on each table, so wherever it is required, right? So check constraint is not only numerical value, so we can also take capsule of value or small letters, so that kind of check constraint also we can impose on a column, right? So if we are taking string value, so we can also check when you are entering the capital letter or not, so that is also verified. So likewise we have to insert the data. So we are giving another one code, and the name is so we can give C, and age is 23, and Aadhaar card number we can give 57 like this. So now with this, the table is printed. So this is the concept of constraints. So minimum basic knowledge. So whenever we are creating a table, or when we are connecting it, converting the creating the relational database management, relational database, we must ensure that whatever the tables we are taking, so these all tables must contain these constraints. If these constraints are not there, so it is very difficult, right? So now referential integrity constraint is there. So the referential integrity constraint is nothing but foreign key, right? So the foreign key is, as we already know that, so it is used to connect two tables, right? So now here we have one table, and we are going to creating another table. Create table name Monday 2, right? So in this table we are taking this is a Monday, and now we are combining, so what are the SID is there. Now we will take the course ID, right? Course ID, it is a integer I am taking, and the course name, okay, course name is a varchar of 10, okay. So now, so we are going to connecting these two tables by using foreign key. So we have to initialize first of all SID here. SID is a int. Now foreign key of SID references. What is the table? It is referring to the Monday one of SID. So it is referencing this table. So now we can see here the table is okay. So here we can see that two tables are connected. So first table is describe Monday 1. Okay. This is table 1. Okay. Describe table 1 is Monday 1, and describe table 2 Monday 2. Okay. So now we can see here SID is a primary key here, and SID is a foreign key here. So that's why we have already discussed. So foreign key is a primary key of another table. So SID is a foreign key here, and it is a primary key in this table. So these two tables are linked as we discussed now. So once you connected to the two tables, then we can see what are the things are there in that. So to fetch the data from two tables, we can use connect the two tables. That is called relational database management system. So select star from Monday 1. Okay. So now let us select Monday 2. So Monday 2, the data is not there. We will insert the data into the Monday. Insert into Monday 2 values. So in Monday 2, course ID is there. For example, course ID is 11. For course name is DBMS, and SID is 1, right? So now one row is inserted. So I'll give the course name is 12, and course ID is 12, and course name is Java, and this is 1 course. It is for 1 or 2, so we can give 1, no problem. And course 13 is course 13 is DBMS, Java, and Python. So this is roll number 2, and for example course number is 14, and this is Python and operating systems. Okay, and this is also roll number 2. So this space is not sufficient. So and course 15 is OS is over. Next machine learning. ML will take ML. So ML is also for roll number 2. So course 15, course 15 ML, and it is for roll number 3 also. Okay, now we'll print the table. Select star from Monday 1 for a clarity. Okay, we'll clear the space and we'll go for clarity. Uh, so this is a first table, and this is second table, right? So you can observe here. So this is the important concept in our database subject. One of the important concept. Roll number. Okay. The subject. The same. Okay. Same record is given. So it is not possible. So that's why it is better to delete from Monday to where CID is equal to 15. Two rows are deleted. We can see here. So actually, whenever we are uh, creating the table itself, we have to give the CID as primary key. We should not take it as a foreign key. Okay, if we take this as a primary key, this kind of problem will not come. Okay, so we have to give the primary key. So that's why it is not showing Monday to. We can check the. So it is not a primary key. So please, but we should take it as a primary key, and SID is a foreign key in the primary key of another table. Okay. So whenever we are taking the course ID, so now if we compare this, um, so if you are taking primary key CAD as a primary key, this is a kind of one-to-one relationship. Okay. And if you are not taking CAD as a primary key, this will be one-to-many kind of relationship. Okay. So anyhow, now these two tables are created. So we can observe here roll number 1 is there. Roll number 1 is opting for DBMS. Course name is course ID is 11, and roll number 2 is opting for Java. Okay. Roll number 1 is also opting for Java. Roll number 2 is opted for Python. And roll number 2 also opted for Python. So now by seeing this table, now we'll ask one question. Clear space and print only. Select star from Monday 1 and Monday 2. So I'll show you these two tables only. So now the primary key foreign key concept. So now my question is find the details of the student who opted DBMS course, right? So for that, can anybody say in the query what is the query for it? Find the details of the student who opted for DBMS subject. So for this, select star from okay Monday 1 comma Monday 2 where Monday 1 dot SID is equal to Monday 2 dot SID. So in this table, these two tables are combined. So now our question is, and subject is, so we are asking that course name is DBMS. So here DBMS we have to type. Okay, this is the answer. For example, if you are asking only name of that student, then Instead of star, you can write here only A will be printed. And for example, if you are asking the question, find the name of the student who opted for uh, multiple courses. So you are asking for name of the student who opted for uh, two subjects, or you want the name. What is the course name? Find the name of the course. Uh, find the name of the course, and course roll number is 1. Name of the student, and course ID is equal to 11. So this is the 11 who joined in the course. 11 name is A, and if you are who joined in the course 12 name is A. Who joined in the course 13 B. Who joined in the course 14 A. Right. Who joined in the course 15. So no rows are found. For example, find the name of the student who opted course is equal to Java. Okay, and who opted course name is operating operating. Okay, so likewise we can retrieve all the kind of rows whenever you created the link between two tables. Okay, so select star from table name is Monday 1, table not Monday 1, and table name is Monday 2. Okay, so likewise we can retrieve the data. Okay, so now these are the different kinds of constraints we have to we can impose on the table. So these tables, these constraints we can impose while we are creating the table, or by using the alter option as we discussed. Okay, so now another concept is we'll discuss arithmetic operators. So as we already know that the arithmetic operators are plus, minus, into, multiplication, and division operators, division. So likewise, how these operators are useful in the while we are creating the table, while we are writing the queries. Okay. So now let us go with the plus. For example, if the add operator, addition operator, update. So in the table 1, if I am updating something, then how will use the arithmetic operators, plus operator. Update table name Monday, set yes age is equal to, okay, yes age, set age is equal to age plus 1. Okay, where SID, okay, SID is equal to 4. So this is what is the condition. So I wanted to update the age of the student whose roll number is 4. I wanted to increment by 1. So then we can see here. So the table is updated. Uh, so actually the table, so initially Monday table roll number 4 is updated with the 23. So here we can see it is updated with the 24. Alright. So this how we can use the addition operator. At the same time, we can see how we can use the um, So yes, age is equal to plus 1. We can also give plus 2 also, no problem. So we can see here it is updated with the 26. Okay. And now the question is, so I wanted to update the age of the student uh, by adding by incrementing 2 years. uh, okay, and whose roll number is 4. Or I wanted to modify the age of the student whose id is greater than 2, right? Whose id is greater than 2. So there, so how to give that? So update monday 1, set sh is equal to sh plus 2, where sid is greater than 2. So now two rows are updated. We can see here. So two rows. So the condition is SID greater than 2. So in this table, SID greater than 2, how many students are there? Only two students are there, 3 and 4. So these students' age is initially 18 and 26. So now after updation, so this is updated with 20 plus 28. Okay, so here we have used the addition operator and the it is called relational operator, right? So in this, as on now, we have discussed about addition operator and a relation operator and assignment operator also. SID is equal to 4. Is equal to operator is assignment operator. Assignment operator, addition operator, relational operator. So now we'll use the subtraction operator. So I wanted to decrease the age of the student by 2. Okay, by 2, and to the roll number to for everybody. So for example, if I want to update the age of the student by 2 for everybody, then this will be the query. Update monday 1, set sh is equal to sh by 2. So now we'll see how it is updated. So initially it is a 23, 23, 20, 28. Now it will become 21, 21, 18, 26. Okay, so this is the subtraction operator how we can use. This is only the one case. So previously, specifically we have done where a SID is greater than 2 cases, SID is equal to 2 cases, SID is equal to 4 case, 2 cases. So here we are using the subtraction operator for all the records. Okay, here also we can update for this. We can subtract the age in the specific case where SID is equal to 3. So Monday subtract. Okay, so here, if you observe here, check constraint, it is a violation. For example, in the row record 3, so what is the age of the student? 18. So if I want to update, modify the database I'm decreasing the age of the student by 2 to the roll number called 3. So if this is happened to the database, then what happens? The age of the student is going to be decreasing by 2. Then it will become 16. So if it becomes 16, then it is violation of the constraint, right? So that's why it is not allowed. Okay. So we can perform for the fourth record. So now it is updated. So you can observe here. Fourth record is 26 actually. It is updated, subtracted by 24. Okay. So now, so this is as of now about operators. So, addition operator finished, subtraction operator. So in the case of deletion also we can perform, addition also we can perform. Okay, so uh, addition, subtraction are finished, and relation operator also finished. So by using relation operator, how to perform the subtraction? So update Monday 1, set sh is equal to sh by uh, subtraction operator. I wanted to decrease the, first we'll increase the age by 4, then we'll perform it. Okay, where SID is greater than 2. The age of the student the roll number of the student must be greater than 2. So for these two rows only, this subtraction will be happened. If we so it is done. We can check here initially. So actually, why I have performed the addition operation again? Because if I do the direct subtraction, it will not allow it to subtract because of constraint violation will be there. So that's why I incremented by 4, and then now the values are become like this, and then only I performed again the subtraction operation by using the relation operator. So SH is equal to SH minus 2, where SID greater than 2. Okay, so two rows are updated. Initially, in the previous table, it is around 1824. Now it becomes the 2026, right? So I hope you got the point. So now we'll go to addition, subtraction is finished with the relation operator. Now we'll do the multiplication operator. So now I'm incrementing, subtraction is done and addition is done. Now I'm multiplying the age of the student by 2. Okay, so SID is equal to, so for the specific column I am performing. So now we can see here. So for the roll number 2, record 2, so I have multiplied the age by 2. Okay, actually it was 25 only. So it is multiplied with 2. Now it becomes the 50. Okay, so this is the multiplication operator. Okay, so now if you want to multiply all records, then directly we can multiply. So without using specific command. So like this, if we want to multiply, we can do it. So 4 rows are recorded. We can observe here the now the age of the students are become by double. So initially it was 25, now it is 50. It is 50 and it is 100, 20, 40, 26, 52. Okay, so this is the multiplication operator case 1 and case 2. So this is case 1 now, applying the mm, multiplication operator for a specific record, and applying the multiplication operator for all records. So these can be performed by using any kind of operator, like a relational operators also we can use, as we already discussed. Relational operator greater than we already discussed. Now we'll see. So I wanted to multiply by 2. Their age is greater than 2 only. So now we can, two rows are updated. So we can see here. So where SID is greater than 2 means only these two records will come into the possibility. So these two records are updated, so it is 40, 40 becomes 80, and now 52 becomes 104. So now here we have used multiplication operator and the relational operator also. So the relation operator as only we used greater than 2 only. So for example, if I want to use less than also, we can take. So we can see here 3 rows are updated. So update the Monday, where multiply the age by 2, where SID is greater than 4. SID is greater than 4 means 2. SID 4 less than 3 to 1. These three records will be updated. So how these will be updated, we can see here now. See, these three records, fourth record is remain same. Okay, fourth record is remain same. Now it is updated with three records are updated. 50 becomes 100, 100 becomes multiplied by 2 to 200. 80 multiplied with 2 means 160, right? So here not only so it is already done. So the relation operator we can also use greater than used to greater than less than used. For example, greater than or equal to also we can use. You can see here. So three rows are updated. Greater than or equal to 2 means 2 and more. So these three records are updated means three records are updated or multiplied by 2. 400, 320 and 208. So here relational operator less than used, greater than used, and greater than or equal to used, and if you want to see less than or equal to 4. So this is also updated. You can see here less than or equal to 4 means all rows will be updated, because a 4th row is also including 100 becomes 200, 400 becomes 800, 320 becomes 640, and 208 becomes 416, because these all are multiplied with 4. So I hope you are understanding. So here we are discussing the arithmetic operator usage plus relational operators usage in the query. When you are writing the queries, what is the use of arithmetic operators, relational operators? In the previous session already we used and operator. Okay, so how to use these all operators we need to understand. So now in the arithmetic operators, pending operators are plus, minus finished, and multiplication is done. Now we'll take the division operator. So update SH is equal to SH by 2. Okay, and where SID is equal to 2. This is a specific single row. One record only I have updated. Now you can see here for SID equal to 2. Now I reduce the divided the value of age by 2. 800 is the SH, and this is divided by 2. It will become 400. Okay, so now will perform the division operator by using not a specific record. I wanted to update divide by all by 2. So now you can see here 4 rows are updated. So now these becomes the 100 to 200 to 320 to 208. Okay, now again if you want to do uh, uh, by using relational operators, so we can do for SAs is greater than 2. Two rows are updated again. So you can see here these two rows only divided. Actually this is the 320 and this is 208. 320 becomes 160, and 208 becomes the 104. Okay, and for example greater than or equal to, if you want to perform, so 3 rows are updated. By why 3 rows? Because we included 2 also, 2 3 4. So 100, 80, 50, 52. So 200 becomes 100, 160 becomes 80, and 104 becomes 52. Okay, so and if you want to apply for uh, greater than, less than, and less than or equal to 2, so same thing will be happen. And if you want to see for less than or equal to 4, also will be same. Okay, so we can call directly print the table, then you can see the updated value after performing the all operators, right? So after performing the addition, division, multiplication, additional, subtraction, multiplication, division, okay, operators by using the relational operator. Okay, uh, here we have combined additional relational operators, assignment operator, and um, arithmetic operators, right? Here we can also use the logical operators also. For example, I wanted to decrease the age based on condition. For example, where student age is greater than or equal to 2, and I am writing condition, and okay, yes name is equal to, yes name is equal to a. Here you can observe here, update Monday 1, set SH is equal to SH by 2, where SID greater than or equal to 2, and S name is equal to age. So in this query, how many operators are involved? How many operators are involved here? Here three kinds of operators are involved. One is arithmetic operator, and second one is relational operator. Third one is um, and operator, logical operator. right? Arithmetic, relational, logical operator. Three operators are used, you can see here. So, if it is check constraint is violated because age of the student, it will so again the same problem will come because why it is showing. So if I do this, then what happens? SID is greater than or equal to 2. So SID is equal to greater than or equal to 2 means three records will come. But the another condition is given that S name is equal to A. So S name is equal to A means these remaining two rows will be gone and only this record will be retained. So in this record, if I wanted to divide by 2 means 25 by 2 will become uh, 12.5 or 13. So that is the violation of the rule. So that's why it is not possible to happen. Okay. So now instead of that, if you take R condition means any one condition is true means that will happen. So it is also violating the rule because SA is equal to A. So here, so I wanted to age 25 by 2. Here it is not accepting. S name is equal to A. So then we can not where SID greater than 2, where SID update Monday set SAG equal to SAG by 2 greater than 1, or else less than or equal to 4 we can perform. So less than or equal to 4 also remaining 3 will come. So we can perform to only for 4. Only for 4 also it is performing. Update Monday. Okay, we'll see once again. Select star from table name is Monday 1. So in this table, if you want to update, age is equal to age by 2. It is violation of the rule because in fourth condition 26 by 2. So again, so why it is showing means whenever it is dividing by 2 means it will come down to the less than 18. That's why it is not possible to divide. Okay. So that's why if you want to divide by with 1, it is possible. No problem. So where greater than is possible and S name is equal to A is also possible. Okay. S name is equal to A divided with S is greater than or equal to two rows are updated. You can see here. The name of the A is A and SAG is divided by 1 only. If 25 is divided by 1 means again it will be 25 only. If the value is 25 by 25, 25 by 1, no problem. If it is 25 by 2, then only constraint violation will come. So likewise, with this, all so the constraints we can understand how the different kinds of constraints we can able to create in the table and how to apply different arithmetic operators, logical operators, and relational operators in the same table row. So these all operators we have to learn. So whenever we are writing the query, so we need to understand what kind of operators we have to take, what kind of constraints we have to impose. So while defining the schema only, so we have to impose all these, right? So with this, we are closing this session and we'll meet in the next session. That's all for now. Thank you all for watching. So in this session, we have covered about all the constraints and relational operators, logical operators again, and arithmetic operators. So we'll meet in the next session. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, or else we can leave.